Alright, so if you've seen some of my videos before, or like at least scroll through some of my social media, you'll know that I stand up on my kayak a lot. 99% of the time I'm barefoot, but lately this Florida sun has been making this floor pretty much unbearable. It's just really like, it's super hot. It makes the floor super hot, and then I can't really stand on it. It just makes it super uncomfortable. Not to mention it starts to wear and tear on your feet. Typically I'll have my flip-flops on or my water shoes, and I'll just kind of let them hang out on the front of the kayak here, or on the front of the floor here, just like just ahead of the pedals, so the pedals don't interfere with it. I am going to run this foam floor up front here. I don't currently have it on, but this is the FeelFree Fish Bag, and I just rinsed this down because I had fish in it the other day. But I did run some in the back here. So one of the main purposes, besides the floor, keeping my feet cool and keeping the floor more comfortable, is keeping the sound down on the kayak and just keeping the noise down. As you'll be able to tell if I can get something here. Take this piece of metal here. If I were to drop it on the bare floor, you know, imagine that's your pliers, or you know, set of hard. But listen. See how the noise is so much less. You know, it's not as much noise, so it keeps the noise on the kayak down, keeps the comfort up, and it kind of makes it a little nicer for, you know, being out in the water for, you know, 4 to 12 hours.